The Nordmann Fir, or Nora as we call her at Patch, is the queen of the Christmas trees. She is the best-selling tree on the planet, and for very good reason. She has this amazing uniform shape of soft, plump foliage, which will really retain their needles well throughout the festive period. Now, the Nordmann Fir comes in a range of sizes, all the way from 3 foot up to 8 foot. It's worth bearing in mind that Nora the Nordmann Fir can get a bit wider than some of the other trees out there. So especially with the smaller ones, make sure you allow for as much space outwards as you do upwards. Buying a Christmas tree from Patch is pretty similar in a way to buying a plant from Patch, because when you get it home, there are a couple of things you need to think about and to bear in mind to keep it looking its best for as long as possible. And those two things are where you put it and water. So try not to put your Christmas tree next to a radiator, really, because it's just going to dry it out faster and you're going to have to water it more, and there's less chance of it making it throughout the festive period. The second thing to bear in mind is water. Now, a Christmas tree is not dissimilar from a bouquet of flowers. It's just about 6 foot taller. And just like a bouquet of flowers, a Christmas tree likes to go into a water-holding receptacle, a Christmas tree stand. Our Christmas trees, be they Nora the Nordmann Fir or Fraser the Fraser Fir, don't come with Christmas tree stands, so make sure you do add one to your basket if you do want one. And if you don't have one that retains water, I really recommend getting one, because it will just keep that Christmas tree looking better for longer. Whether inside or outside your home or office, Patch helps you discover the best plants for your space, delivers them to your door, and helps you look after them. We deliver quality Christmas trees, just like this one, with all the trimmings at an unbeatable price. Delivery is free on all our cut Christmas trees, and you can schedule yours at a time that suits you any day of the week, including evenings and weekends. Our prices will beat any delivery service in London, and your non-drop Christmas tree will be guaranteed for a month from the date of delivery. If you have any problems with it whatsoever, just get in touch and we'll replace it free of charge. Our trees come from the best growers around, and for every tree that's delivered, a new one is planted. Inevitably, the size and shape of the tree that you receive will vary slightly from the one that you see here, but we're so confident in their quality that if you do receive a tree you don't like, just let us know and we'll come and swap it out for you for one that you do like as soon as possible. If you're still to find the perfect gift this Christmas, or something for the Secret Santa, then look no further than Patch. We've got a great range of houseplants, both big and small, some lovely pots, terrariums, gift vouchers, and lots more, any of which you can get delivered along with your Christmas tree. Order now, before the most popular slots fill up to bring your home or office to life this Christmas.